We just stopped eating meat on Mondays.
What are these? They don't look like normal sausages we buy.
That's because these are extra special, but they taste great.
Extra special how?
These are plant-based sausages. No meat was used at all.
You're not taking my meat away. I can't live without bacon.
Relax. We're not going to give up meat entirely. I like it too. But the meat industry is responsible for some of the biggest amounts of greenhouse gas emissions our environment is struggling with. We can make a huge difference just by cutting out meat consistently on one day of the week.
They look questionable.
They're delicious. I've already fed them to you 3 times instead of regular sausages.
Lies.
You asked for seconds.
You mean the sausage and rice casserole?
Yep. When it was mixed in with other food, you couldn't even tell the difference.
You're crafty.
I prefer clever. We're saving the world one meatless Monday at a time. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I've included the recipe for my sausage and rice casserole in the description below.